everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1966 Ford Mustang, little coupe, kind of a Shelby tribute car. Very neat little car, man. I've driven this car a couple of times now. Got a great sound to it, got a great look to it. Good solid, at least a Georgia car. Car that just a couple years ago had a complete body up restoration. You can see it's got a bright red paint scheme on it with the silver Shelby striping, which is kind of cool. They tied in the bumpers with everything. It's got just a good sounding later model 302 in it with a nice little cam in it. Automatic trans, does have air, front disc brakes. Of course, it's got the little Shelby replica wheels on it. But a good looking car, and like I say, fun to drive. If you're looking for something, like I say, it's got good sound to it, and it'll draw some attention, I think you'll really like this car. I didn't see a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. You can see they put the billet grille. There's not a bunch of stone packs or anything like that in it. Looks good. Again, normally I'm not a painted bumper guy, but I love the way they did the stripes and tied everything in it, so I think it looks good. Pretty car. Like I say, everything on it seemed to work. Air blows nice and cold. Pretty paint on this car. Whoever laid the paint down did a nice job. And I love the way they tied the stripes in. I mean, they go all the way down. They did a nice job on that. LED tail lights. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Again, good looking set of Shelby aluminum wheels. Good looking car. A little stone peck there, but man, it's like I say, there's not a whole lot of road rash on the car. Does have front disc brakes, manual steering, steers pretty easy though. These little cars do. Again, good sounding 302, guys. It's got a Holley 4-barrel Edelbrock intake, it's got headers. You can see it's got an HEI distributor in it, does have air, manual steering, manual front disc brakes, standard automatic transmission, aluminum radiator, it's got a flex fan on the front. Good looking car. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I know guys are getting a little frustrated. Cars have gotten sold without pictures, without videos. It's just the way it is, guys. That's, look at, they even put that stripe down there in the engine compartment, which is cool. You know, so we just been around a long time, guys, and we sell a lot of cars, and guys are, market is as hot as it's ever been. Well, the A-pillar chrome's nice. And guys are hunting for cars, and they know I move them fast, so when I post a picture, these guys call up and just buy them. Here's your door tag. Especially stuff that's tough to come by. Really nice interior. You can tell this is all brand new. Bucket seats. They have mounted that center console in there, stock floor shifter. Wood steering wheel. Got the wood grain dash, showing 30,773. I'm sure that's 130. It's got a Pioneer aftermarket radio system in it. Again, aftermarket air. There's only supposed to be a couple thousand miles on the restoration, and I'll tell you, I would expect about 500 because there's not really any road rash on the car. It's got Flowmaster duals. Sorry guys, a little dust there. Little bit of a gear to it. I think it's a 350 gear in the back. Definitely something you can cruise. I like this Mustang mat they put in the trunk. Pretty car. It's not all done up underneath, but it's still clean. Floors are nice and clean. They've got the turn down exhaust on it. There's a little, see that? There's a little stone peck on the bumper. It's got the kick panels with the speakers in them. Dash is nice. Steering wheel's nice. Again, your gauges are all nice and clean. Again, they have mounted this in here. It's not standard. Car's got great little sound to it. So this kick gear on it blows nice and cold. Not a race car, but definitely sounds good. Hits the road nice. It's a good little car. It's got a great look. I love the billet grille in it. It's just different. Again, sounds good, sits good. I think all your gauges are working. Holds good oil pressure, speedo works, temp gauge works. Radio in there, I know it works. Blower motor works. Those LED tail lights are cool. I know the backup lights work. Yeah. Radio works. Again, blower motor in there works. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button at the bottom. Every time I post a video, you can get a notification. It's a great way to keep in touch with us. That's a good looking little car, man. Like I say, it's got good stance. Have a great day, guys.